build a gingerbread house from Trader Joe's.
Let's do this!
So we picked these up from Trader Joe's for about $8.
The packaging looks good.
Okay, so let's open the boxes to see what we have
Whoa.
inside. Whoa.
We have some Smarties.
Or M&M's.
And we got the we have these sprinkles. And we have this stuff. I don't know what
this is the icing sugar for the icing.
Oh yeah, it says icing sugar. Icing sugar. I love icing sugar. Okay, let's do this. We have some gummies. Gummy fish. And we have a piping bag. And
A
the gingerbread house. The magical things.
Big.
And
I don't know what this is.
I think it's just a box. Let's open it.
Let's see what it is.
Whoa, what is this? Let's see. I think it's something.
Oh, they're the little cute little puppies.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a little puppy. It's like the puppy. And I think you put these on the gingerbread house.
And a
There's
person.
a girl.
A girl.
A girl. And I think there's another one. Oh yeah, there's a boy.
I got a different boy to her.
Oh, and you're gonna get. I got the same boy as my sister's, Amy.
And I got the boy that's in. Okay, now let's move these.
Let's move these to the side.
So we read the packet and it said that you needed lemon juice and egg whites. So we've got 1 egg white and we're gonna mix it until it's firm.
Once you have your egg white, put it into the bowl, and then once you're ready, you need to put in your sugar, your icing sugar, then squeeze in a couple of drops of lemon. Let's do this.
So now we're gonna squeeze in a couple of drops of lemon for the flavor. Now let's mix. So that looks like about done. Now for this one you might need a bit of help from your parents. So we cut the hole and like it looks so like.
Now it's my turn to get some help. Come on, Mom. Next, we're gonna pull out our gingerbread.
And be careful. Don't want to break it. We have lots of different parts. So these must be for the roof.
Yeah, these must be for the roofs. Yeah.
Actually, or maybe the side.
Maybe they're the sides like that.
And these must be the roof.
Yeah, these must be the roof like that. No, it goes the other way.
I don't know. I think you need a bigger hole.
Put the A in the hole.
Put the A in the hole and fill it with the stuff.
Oh my god. I can't.
You hold the A.
I can't hold myself. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Okay.
Pipe, hold it straight. Pipe along here. Here.
my icing on here, and I'm going to try to decorate it with sprinkles.
So I have one M&M side that I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do it like all M&Ms. Cause this is gonna be an M&M house because I love M&Ms. Purple and red.
Okay.
I'm just gonna do a.
Spatties on the top, ding ding ding. Spatties on the top, ding ding ding.
Okay, I haven't used any gummies yet. I think I'm gonna use that for the back or the front of my house. So, and then I think I'm gonna put the dog right next to the tree. It didn't really work out.
Mine looks so silly.
Oh, I still have a bunch more M&Ms.
I have
This
a bunch
is great.
more sprinkles and I spilled a bunch of them on the table.
I have a bunch of icing here.
It's snowing.
Sophie. Okay, we're gonna have to clean out a major after this. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna have to turn my gingerbread house back over because I need to do my tree.
So now you have your gingerbread houses from
Trader Joe's, and it was so much fun and a bit messy, so be warned, parents. Hey, so imagine being as small as them in a candy world. I really wish it to be tiny.
I wish to be tiny.
What? Wait, what?
Where am I?
What's going on?
Oh, hi.
I'm in my gingerbread house. Sophie, what's going on?
How did this happen, sis?
I don't know. Why are you asking me? This is so cool. I can't wait to go to my gingerbread house, look around, and say hi to the cute little dog.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Subscribe to the channel, give a big thumbs up. Hope you like it. Bye.